Everybody, it's Matt here at Sparkle Farm. I am changing the oil and filter on the Ford 1700. Pretty simple process. Oil plugs under here. Filter's nice and easy to get to, but we're going to add some oil up here. So you add about 4 or 5 ounces to it every oil change. So we're going to do that also. So when I pulled it out of the barn, I just let it sit and warm. I get up the temp, and let's change the oil. So it's pretty filthy. So it's just dirty. I don't see any sparkle to it, so. Okay, hand tight, and that's all I'm doing. Alright, I'm writing the hours on it. So we're at 24, 30. Then I don't use these too often to rack up the hours, so we're just going to put 4 of 20. So I'll know if I've been changing the oil or not. And now we're going to wipe this down. Put our drain plug back in. Alright, time to add oil. Alright, on top of here on your diesel motors, right by all the injectors and stuff, there's this little fill here, and it does not look like anybody's ever added oil into there. So you add 4 or 5 ounces, they said. Okay, so I was able to make a mess out of that.
I don't know. Can you pour it or? I don't know if this is small enough.
I poured it already.
Oh, you did?
So something's better than nothing in there. So it says add 4 or 5 ounces of clean motor oil. So that's what we did. So the fill is right up top. Alright, so that's how I changed the oil in my 1700 Ford. Hopefully this helps somebody out, and tune in, hit subscribe, because more videos are coming out for the 1700. More, actually we're going to put the hydraulic pump on, but everybody's might be a little different, but we're going to film installing the front loader and the backhoe on this tractor. So stay tuned, that video will be coming up in the next day or two. Alright, see you next time.